So how long now since it's not starting?
The last time I talked to you, that was like weeks ago, right?
So guys, we have a 125 and it's not starting. And the guy can't figure it out. Squad. We also should change the handlebar, but the guy doesn't have the handlebar. Okay, so we're gonna check for spark and see why is it not starting. And broski, how are we gonna start it? Because this one is broken. How to kick it?
Yeah, you can still kick it.
But I sent you the one to harder already, but you didn't.
Yeah, he has it.
Oh, he
yeah.
has that too?
Yeah.
But so where is he? Is that make that work, man?
Yeah, I told him to like leave it by the bike yesterday, you know, but I guess it wasn't right.
Okay, alright, anyways, let's take this out and check if we get in spark. Pull the whole tester out, guys. Bro, come, you're gonna have to do something about the kicking, bro. Go ahead, kick it, find some way how to. Okay, we good. So guys, we're getting spark. So if we get in spark, that's good news. And he said the bike doesn't want to start. So you know what? Let's take the spark plug out. And when you take the spark plug out, we're gonna put it back in this boot. We're gonna kick the bike again. And if we get in spark, we don't have nothing to worry about. So far, so good. Okay, that's it. If you not starting and you want to diagnose, first what I do, I put this tester in this one, right? And I'm getting spark here, right? So that's good news. So what I do next, I like to take the spark plug out, put it back in the boot right here, put it back inside like that, and then we're gonna kick the bike, right? And we're gonna kick. And we're gonna check if we're getting spark from the spark plug. Okay, watch this. Yeah. You may be not going to be able to see that, but yeah, we're getting spark. So if we get in spark, that's good news. The bike is ready to start. There's no problem. So long as we get in spark and we have enough gas inside, there's no issue. So we're going to put the spark plug back, and then we're going to check the carb to make sure that enough gas inside the carb. You guys stick around, we're still coming. Come, bro. Go ahead. Guys, as you can see, when we got here, the bike didn't want to start and the guy can't figure it out. It's a bit of squad, the bike is up and running again, guys. That's what's up. Guys, don't forget, tonight is gonna be a nice ride out. Dress warm, it's gonna be cold, alright? So let's see the guy start it up again. Broski, start it up again, Broski. Start it up again. Hey, look at that. One kick and the bike is up and running. I think the bike is good now. Yeah. So guys, everything good with the bike. The bike didn't want to start, and now the bike is starting. So we're gonna do a oil change on the bike, guys. Roadside assistant, guys. Roadside assistant. It works good. When you're gonna change your oil, guys, make sure to warm the bike up for at least a minute so the oil can drain freely, you know what I mean? Let's see if I'm gonna get any oil on my hand, guys. Let's see. Oh, nope, nothing. That's good. That oil is black. That look like... When was the last time you changed your oil, broski? Huh?
Starting of summer, eh?
Starting off summer, the guy changed your oil. Make sure you change your oil every so often, guys. Please. Super black. And when you're changing the oil at the same time, make sure to open the dipstick right here, because you don't want to open the drain plug and then this one cannot open. But at the same time, when this one open and this one open, it make a vacuum, so the oil will drain more freely, guys. 10W40, 1 liter, okay? It works good. The outside. Okay, that's it. Okay. Guys, do you got it? What more can I say? First 10W41. Bike didn't want to start. Bike up and running again. It looks good. Signing off from Toronto, man. Peace out, guys.
You see how it died? You think that was me?
Yeah?
How?
Yeah, because you get off the clutch a little bit and the bike is in a high gear. That's all your fault right there. Watch there. If you go so slow in like second, that's why it stops.
So I have to be first.
Yeah, the bike doesn't want to go that slow in like second gear.
I see.
There's nothing wrong with the bike, bro. So guys, the guy were complaining that the bike keep on shutting off, but look what he do. He go in a high gear and slow down. Obviously the bike gonna stop, right?
Yeah, because
So, yeah.
doesn't happen, you know?
He usually had that problem, but he couldn't figure it out. But now he works smart. Gotta do some goddamn lesson, man. Teach these guys how to ride these goddamn dirt bike, man. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Lots more video coming up, guys. Peace out.